Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here with Pip Syndicate. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I wanted to make a video about the signals group and how to take the signals. I've been thinking about making a signals group for a while, and the main thing holding me back is that one of the hardest things about signals is people getting them on time, being able to enter the trade, while the trade is still valid. So I've been practicing last week. The group is open now, and I think I got a solution. So we're going to go with it, guys. But in case you don't know, guys, the group is totally free. Just click the link below the video and follow the instructions on how to get into the group. All right, so now when I see a trade, let's say this is a trade we took Friday, right? Today's Sunday. We're coming down to this area. I want to get in here around this point of interest here. Okay. What I'm going to do, let's say I just opened the chart and we're here already. We're right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the signal group. I'm just going to make a message. Okay, record a message. Buying gold now. Okay, so you guys know, okay, I'm buying gold, all right? You can either enter right then if you get the message right away, or wait for me within the next minute or two. I will have all the parameters up for the trade. Okay, the entry, the TP, the stop loss. Now, usually when I call out a trade, it's going to be a small range. All right, let's see here. Like I might put buying gold 3260. 3286. I mean, 3286 to 3284. Say, right there. Okay, so that's where we want to be in this trade. Now, if you open the chart and we're up here. If it's more than 10 pips, do not enter the trade, guys. However, if it pulls back down, right? Let me see. Let me just extend that a little. Sorry about that, guys. Let's say it comes down, right? Let me make these lines just bigger. Right? And it touches this line again, you can enter for the buy. Okay, I've set my my fib up so it makes two boxes. Okay, I usually take two entries. Now there will be a stop loss somewhere, and there will be two take profits. So let's say you enter here, and then let's just say it came down into this zone, and you take another entry. I would take another entry if it came down here. Okay, so now I got two entries. This is how I manage the trade, guys. You can manage it any way you want. This is just the way I recommend managing. This is how I do it. So now let's say I have an entry here, right? Right here at this line, and I have another one inside this box. If it starts to reverse, if it starts to go up now, if you're brand new to trading, especially, guys, I want you to close this first entry that you took a little bit in profit or break even, just in case it reverses on us or you're not carrying drawdown, all that drawdown down. Okay, and I want you to close the second entry. You close at TP1. I mean, you could at least take profit at TP1. You could close full if you want, or you could take profit, but you have to move your stop loss into profit. So if you got in here, you want to move your stop loss here somewhere. Okay, unless you're closing full, then you just close full. And if you don't do that, you close full at TP2. All right, if you want to hold both trades open, guys, I don't want to confuse everybody. I hope this ain't too confusing. But if you want to hold both trades, okay, you're going to close the first trade you took at TP1, move the stop loss for the second trade into profit. Okay, right? Not a break even. Put it a few pips in profit at least, and then hold it until TP2. If you want to take partials at TP2, sometimes I'll put a runner. You could take partials or you could close full. But once it gets to TP2, if you close full, that's it. If you just want to take partials, move your stop loss to TP1. Okay, guys, hope I didn't confuse you too much with that. But we'll be doing it as time goes on. Okay, this is my fib retracement tool, guys. If you want to do it the same way, it's very simple. I just get rid of everything except 0, 0.5, and 1. Okay, this way you can just put these boxes here quick. All right, now who are these signals for, guys? All right, let's say you're brand new to trading, and you're learning. and you want to make a little money while you're learning. Okay, this is a perfect way to do it. You take our signals, and they're free. Let's say you got a little experience, or you're brand new and you don't have time to trade New York session, right? So then you could take these trades during New York session. Suppose you're at work, right? You got your app, right? You got your Trading View app, right? Use the Trading View app for for Trading View, and it looks the same exact way as if you were on your computer. Okay, it looks exactly the same. So you can open it, see where we are, say, okay, I'm only 5 pips away. I'm going to enter. You make a decision whether you're going to enter or not, and then whether you want to take a second position or not. All right, but that's important, guys. You should have the Trading View app. It's free, also, guys. Make sure you use the indicators that I use. I use 2 main indicators, guys. You'll find them in the descriptions of my videos. They're not my indicators. They're both free. One has a paid version, but I don't use the paid version. I'm not an affiliate, but they're the 2 indicators I use. One is for fair value gaps, and one puts these supply and demand boxes on the chart for you. So I trade every day with those 2 indicators. I have other things on here, but I hardly look at them. The 200 EMA, the 5, the 19 EMA, stuff like that. And I'll switch them on and off. Sometimes I just have them. You'll see things on my chart. I'm just curious how they work, and sometimes I just throw them on the chart. But we trade the same way every day. So, guys, if you don't know who I am, okay, my name is Bobby. Like I said, I'm with pipsyndicate. People know me from one video I made where I went back last year in 2024 from January 1st, and I think I made the video around January 2nd or January 3rd of this year, going back a whole year in the broker account and showing my trades. And I had a 96% win rate for the year, hundreds of trades. Then this year, I went from January, and on July 3rd, I made the video. I went back to January 1st to July 3rd, 6 months, and I had a 98% win rate. Check out those videos. Okay, it's 96% win rate with proof and 98% win rate with proof. Those are 2 videos on my channel, guys. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Okay, guys? And just take your time, man. If you're brand new, take your time. Make sure you're trading with a small lot size. And get into the flow of it, man. Get into the flow. Trading is easy, man. It's simple. It's simple. Maybe people say it's simple, but it ain't easy. But it's all up here. So take your time, guys. All right? And give me a like on the video, guys. Subscribe. Guys, subscribe so we can keep in touch. Leave a comment under the video so we can interact, especially if you have any questions. Guys, I got no problem. All right. Make sure you come to the live stream. I trade live every day, 9 a.m. Eastern time, the New York session. Okay, we're usually on. I just trade. We take 1 win every day. And believe me, we haven't lost a trade in months, man. And yeah, that's just the way it is, man. I try to get a quick trade every day. I don't like to stay on for 3 hours like some of these guys. I don't like to name names, but you watch some of these guys, you're on the stream 3 hours and they take a 10-pip trade. And, it's like, my goodness, man. It's like watching grass grow. I try not to do that. Sometimes it can't be helped, man. We just take what the market gives us. But anyway, guys, hope I see you on the live stream, man. I hope I see you in the Signal group, man, to get to know you guys. God bless you guys. Today's Sunday, so I'll be live tomorrow, Monday, 9 a.m. Have a great Sunday. Have a great evening, guys, on purpose. God bless you, and I'll see you tomorrow on the live stream. Thanks, guys. Cheers, man.